Welcome to this guided meditation for progressive muscle relaxation. In this session, we will focus on systematically relaxing different muscle groups to help you feel calm and at ease. Before we begin, consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment to share your experience. It helps support my work and allows me to create more content for you. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and take a moment to settle. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Breathe in slowly, filling your lungs with air, and exhale deeply, releasing tension. With each breath, notice how you become more present and focused on the moment. Feel your chest rise and fall as you breathe. With each inhale, let calmness spread through your body. Imagine this calmness flowing into every part of your body, helping you relax. Notice how your breathing connects you to the present moment. Let go of thoughts about the past or future and focus on your breathing. Shift your attention to your body. Scan your body from head to toe and notice areas of tension. We will now release tension in each muscle group one by one. Start with your face. Scrunch your facial muscles tightly. Close your eyes and clench your jaw. Hold this for a few seconds, then release. Feel the relaxation in your face as the tension disappears. Move to your neck and shoulders. Lift your shoulders toward your ears and tense the muscles. Hold briefly, then release, letting your shoulders drop. Notice how the tension leaves your neck and shoulders. Now focus on your arms and hands. Make fists and squeeze tightly. Feel the tension in your hands and arms, then release, letting your fingers uncurl. Notice the relaxation spreading through your arms and hands. Shift to your chest and abdomen. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale fully, letting your chest relax. Feel your breathing become smooth and effortless. Move to your lower back and hips. Arch your back gently as you inhale. Hold the position briefly, then exhale and relax your back. Feel the tension melting away from this area. Finally, focus on your legs and feet. Tense your thighs and calves by squeezing them tightly. Hold for a moment, then release, letting your legs relax completely. Notice the relaxation traveling through your legs to your feet. Take a few moments to notice the state of relaxation in your body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your day, bringing this sense of calm with you. You can repeat this exercise anytime you need to relax. Take a moment to thank yourself for prioritizing your care and relaxation, and for watching this video.